Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here. I'm here to talk to you about Equatio extension, and it's a useful tool to enter math equations or science equations into Google Forms, Google Docs, slides, etc. So what it looks like on a Google form is that if you have the extension added on, which all of you guys should have that added on already, when you pull up a Google form, you're going to see this blue box with a sigma and a cursor icon. So in order to enter your math equations, you're going to click on that, and then up pops this Equatio toolbar on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is hit the sigma and the cursor button, equation editor, and it's going to pop up this box where you can start typing your equations. Now, up here is you can turn text into insert regular text. If you hit the three dots, you'll see this is general, so things that might be you use a lot, or symbols where you can enter fractions, subscripts, roots, arcs, a whole bunch of different symbols, mathematical symbols. And then formulas, you can enter different formulas if you need to, etc. And so I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to start typing. My question says, what's the coefficient of this expression? So the coefficient of this expression is -1. So I'm just going to type in -1 and hit insert math. Now for that question, you would probably just use your keyboard and enter the value. But here, what is the term of this expression? Well, I'm going to have to hit my math button, my Equatio button, and you're going to see -1 because that's what you used previously. So I'm going to hit clear. So now I can start typing and answering the question, what is the term in this expression? Well, the term includes exponents. The easiest way to add exponents is to hit hit your variable, so x comes first, shift 6. Hit the hold the shift button down, and the 6 button, that little caret, will bring you up to an exponent. So I'm going to hit 5. Now I'm going to hit my right arrow to go back down to the level where my x was. So then my next variable is y. I'm going to hit shift 6 again and put 4, right arrow over, z, and shift 6, and oops, it's not 2, so 2. And so that is the term. The question was longer and you were asked to solve an equation for a variable, you can hit enter and you'll get brought down to another line and where you can show additional work. If you want to enter a fraction, so let's say I wanted to enter the fraction 1/2. I'm going to hit 1, and then my backslash gives me a fraction bar. And my right arrow will bring me up to the main line. So I will include a list of shortcuts. If you are ever can't remember what the shortcut is, you can go to the more, to the symbols button, and here you can enter a fraction that way. And I can go back up and put a 2, 1, and you can do it that way as well. And then we're going to go back over here and insert math. So now I can go to the next. And these questions are multiple choice, so I don't need to use Equatio. And the Equatio enters it as a image, a PNG image. If I wanted to go back and change, oh shoot, I added the wrong question, or I think I did that question wrong, I can go here and pull up my Equatio and edit math. And edit math and edit math. Let's see. Why is that not working? If I thought I did it wrong, you can go back and delete this whole part and then go in here and retype it. 5th y to the 4th z squared and insert math. So that is how you use Equatio. If you're ever stuck, and now see, it's looking, it actually inserted it here, and I could see what I typed. And up here, I'm going to go back and just do -1, insert math, and you can usually see your answers. Not sure why it was just giving you the image file just now. If you ever have a question about how to enter anything into Equatio, how to actually type it in, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask either any of your teachers. We're more than willing to help you format it. But for this semester or quarter, you will have to be using Equatio and get fairly familiar with how to show all of your work and all of your steps on a Google form because our courses are remote.